Chief Minister Khemchand stated that education is the backbone of society, yet recurring disturbances in Manipur have severely disrupted students' academic lives. Speaking as the chief guest at an award presentation ceremony organized by the Department of Education S at MSFDS Auditorium in Palace Compound, the Chief Minister honored government school students who secured top positions in the Class 12 Higher Secondary Examination 2026 conducted by COSIM. Highlighting the success of the state's educational initiatives, CM Khemchand noted that the school Phagatansi mission launched in 2019 has shown significant results, leading to higher student enrollment figures and marked improvements in academic performances across government institutions. Despite these positive strides, the Chief Minister acknowledged heavy toll societal unrest takes on the youth, urging all stakeholders to refrain from disruptive methods. Now, emphasizing that bans and blockades can never bring solution to any issue, he appealed to the public to resolve grievances through constructive dialogue with government departments instead of hindering students' education. During the ceremony, cash incentives were distributed via direct benefit transfer (DBT) to top rankers, including 5 lakh rupees for the first position, 4 lakh rupees for the second, and 3 lakh rupees for the third, and 1 lakh rupees each for students placing between ranks 4 and 15. District level awards were also presented to top performing districts achieving over 70% of pass rate, with first and second position holders receiving 50,000 rupees and 25,000 rupees respectively, along with certificates and mementos. Out of the 65 felicitated students, comprising 41 from the Valley and 24 from the Hill districts, 19 represented schools under the School Phagatansi mission. Highlighting statewide reach, students from distant districts such as Churachandpur, Kangpokpi, Jiribam, Ukhrul, None, and Tamenglong participated via video conferencing, receiving their awards locally from their respective deputy commissioners.
Country mayam sanari India ki sanari mayam sali only Manipuri ningol amakatana gold medal pangi India ki. Khoga putodra. So likewise, I'm very much proud of TG Higher Secondary School. 17 award given the 11 position holder yabuse. Asagi Manipuri women empowerment is it tang the suya and PMSA singna ima singna women empowerment.